Welcome to Roger Paul channel. I'm Roger Paul. Welcome to this Next Never update today, folks. Remember when I told you I live by a military base? Now here's some of the stuff that they do. Oh, by the way, big base cloud right here, folks. That's been sitting there for 2 hours. I watched it get extremely, real red. See right over there, what back over there is a shut down military base. And we keep seeing helicopters do exactly what this one's doing. It's been shut down for years. Well, I first came out this way in 1997, I believe. No, I'm sorry. 96, 97. And it was shut down then. And just the last couple of years, we've been seeing stuff like this. Part of the time they drop stuff with parachutes. Now see there? And that's what we've been getting. So there's something going on, people. I know air care, they can land, but still. I don't think that's air care. I know it's a loud helicopter. Anyway, folks, might as well check the sky out while we got this. Look at that. You notice that's there every night. Know what I mean? Really, it is. And if you look, look how this goes, folks. You got that going, well, first you got that right there. Then you've got that circle right there. We always get that. And then you got this going like that. It's coming down. See it coming down and then going like that, curling. You got that right there going up. And then this one here doing the same thing. And now that will be there really for the rest of the night. But if you look right there. Right where my finger's over it. See what I'm saying? See there? Matter of fact, filter it. Take a screenshot and filter this. I'll leave it on here for a few seconds, about 10 seconds more so you can screenshot it. And then filter it. Please filter it. And you'll see what I'm saying. Now if you can see right there, that dark spot? Well, there you go. It's during the day too, but this ain't daytime. But here, so you can get a good shot. Now screenshot it and filter it. And you'll see, now that right there kind of looks a little something, but I'm not sure. You know what I mean? So, folks, filter anything. Anytime I say there's an object, do it. Screenshot it, filter it. I'm not meaning to sound like a jerk or nothing, but you'll see when you filter it, I'm right. I was noticing this stuff really before I even learned about this. Now right there I'm not so sure about, but I would say if there was one in there, if I can ever get it to adjust, right in here, right in there somewhere. And then right there, right there, here, right there. Sorry, putting my fingers in the screen. Now look at this, you see that? Okay, folks, we've got, here, let me show you something now. This Nibiru Planet X, it's no joke, folks. Now look, we got that right there, right? Well, we got that right there. Look at that. Wesky wabbit. Now I'd say that whole thing right in there, there's an object in there somewhere, not in the clouds. That's what it's doing to our atmosphere. Folks, we've got these objects, they're sharing atmospheres with ours. That's what a base cloud is. It's the bottom of the atmosphere of that thing. Now, screenshot that. You can even do a negative shot on it even to filter it. Now, I don't even know why that's there. That didn't just move in, folks. Stuff like that is just dropping out of the sky. I'm just dropping down from atmosphere. Now look, I'm going to zoom in on that. Watch. Right there, there's some curvature right in there. It's extremely black. So, I mean, I don't know what that is. But I do see perfect curvature. Right? Perfect curvature. Right there. Right there. Now watch when I zoom out. I mean, folks, that's just as black as can be. See? Now, if you take a screenshot of this, you will see there's an object right there. Now that I do believe, I mean, that could be like, you know, like we're seeing some, I don't know, folks, really. I do know that is not normal at all. And that's still there. This one's still here. I mean, it's weird here, people. I'm serious, it is. Isn't it kind of ironic, though, how that is right there? It looks like a wishbone. They're finding all kinds of exoplanets. They found another one. It's like Earth. And they say it's, bigger than Neptune? And it orbits a star that is 1/3 the size of our sun. That is huge, because you can put 1 million Earths in the sun. Heck, you can put 30 Earths inside in Jupiter. Now there's I'm seeing some big curvature now. Sorry about my finger being in there. Right there, see it? Right there. Screenshot this and you'll see probably one right there, and maybe one right there. These are behind each other, and it is on the left side of the sun. So, Nibiru tonight. So I couldn't get nothing for Planet X today. Oh, and folks, the reason why I say Planet X Nibiru, I mean, that's just how I say it. You know what I mean? I mean, those who don't know what Nibiru is, when I say Planet X, they know. You know what I mean? If they don't know Planet X, but they know Nibiru, when I say Nibiru or Planet X Nibiru, they know. So they always know what I'm talking about by one of the two. I've called it Nibiru Planet X the whole time since I first found out about it. But we're looking into the west right now. And if you notice, that's not moving. That is not moving. That's what I'm trying to say. It stays right there. So, there's some of you saying that it's just clouds. Well, how come they're just sitting there and not moving? Explain that. Can you? I mean, I'm not being a smart aleck. I mean, but please, can you answer that for me? How come they just sit there for hours? I mean, that's not like it's a big line going across the sky, you know, that's going from south to north. That's literally just sitting there. Just like that one. That just sits there. Now we got the lines going on. See right there and right there? That is a debris field. So I would say that right there could be a lead object. And the real deal is right in there. So these are going to turn into base clouds. Now last night, it was about this dark when I started seeing the big base cloud over there. It was a snail foot cloud. A snail cloud. They call it snail cloud because it looks just like a snail. It's like a slug with a shell. You know, a snail. Identical. So, and it's, I mean, I can show you pictures, people. In fact, I'm going to show I'm getting a video to some of it together tonight, some of it tomorrow. I'm going to hope to show it tomorrow night, but I might go ahead and show it Saturday night. It's Roy Tallow, his photos he's been sending me. I'm going to pick out the best ones, and he's got some good ones. And I'm going to show a lot of his photos. Well, I'm going to show about 15, 20 of them. And then I'm going to show some of mine. And I'll show you the snailfoot cloud. I will show you the ion clouds. I got to do a little research, but I will show you also what the base clouds look like in full detail and which planet it is. So you don't want to miss that video. It's going to be it's informative. It's going to be a good one. You know what I mean? That way we all know what we're looking at. I mean, folks, I'm learning too. But I mean, I got to do some research. Not much, because I know where to go to find all this stuff out. Now look at that. You see how white that one is? Right there? That's weird. And filter this one too. Right there. Right there. See it? Looks like a ball. See, watch when I zoom out now. There you have it. There it is. That chopper, it's still over there. Hey, those are still there. It didn't move. I was just standing over there. Now I'm like over here. I just got done mowing my grass. My son, he helped me out tremendously. Little dude gave me a mower. God bless his heart. Folks, it's one of the best things anybody ever gave me. It sure is. People just, you know what I mean? It's like they don't think of you much. That's how people do. But I did have a subscriber to send me some survival food and a survival straw. And, you know, and I thank you very much. And we will be sending a thank you card. I mean, really, really, deep within our hearts, thank you. And thank you. We just can't say it enough. Me and the wife, we felt like crying like little kids. Because people just don't think like that anymore. No, but all right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off here. It's 13 minutes in, and that's too long for a video like this. So thank you for watching. Roger Paul, and it's Nibiru Planet X update today. And I thank you, and may the Lord bless us all. Thank you for watching. Roger Paul channel.